Hello everyone, welcome back again. This is another video to show you how to install our 62 kilowatt hour battery modules into this Nissan Leaf AZ80 battery case. So we prepare all the battery modules here, module J, K, H, G, A, and module D. And here are all the accessories for installation. These are the parts we supply. As you can see, all the power cables or bus bars, all the cables are clearly labeled to indicate where they should be connecting. And we will provide a wiring diagram to show you how to connect them. This is the BMS. We have already programmed the BMS, so the dashboard will display the correct messages after you put the battery into your vehicle. And these are the reusable parts we removed from all the battery pack. We will provide a list to clarify which components can be reused. This is the original Nissan Leaf AZ80 battery case. Yeah, you can see the PTC here. If you are a ZE0 owner, there's no PTC here. This is the only difference between ZE0 and AZE0. And this is the original signal holders. You don't need to remove it out. You can just keep it inside before installation. And there are 4 protruding parts inside the battery case. So use a hammer to flatten them before installation. Okay, ready? Put the longer spacers here to install module J. After you put down the spacer, please check if all the hole positions are corresponding. Install module J. Put these 3 spacers here and here and here to install module K. Install module K. Here, use the longer bolt to fix. And use this bolt to fix the others. Tighten the screws. Install module H. Install module G. Install module A. Install module D. Fix all the modules. Tighten all the screws. And here you can use the electric wrench. The space here is a bit small, so you will need to find some small tool to fix the screw here. Please check that all screws are in place and mark them with the marker. Install the temperature sensors. Connect the signal holders of module D and H. Connect them according to the labels. Connect the signal holders of module A and G. Also, connect them according to the labels. Connect the signal holders of module G and H. The other end will connect to the BMS. Fix the cables with cable ties. Since our 62 kWh is 2.5 centimeter higher than the original battery, so the service plug is also needed to increase the height. Install the studs here and here, and install the screws here and here. This is the original signal holders. Put the original signal holders in place. Install the relay module. Plug in the PTC plug. Fix the relay module. From now on, please do not use electric wrenches anymore. Only manual wrenches can be used for subsequent installation. This is the bracket to support the original bus bar, but the space here is not enough, so we have to cut from here and here. Install the bracket. Install the original bus bar. Tighten the screws. Also, remember to mark them with a marker. Connect the high voltage interlock plug. Fix the cables with cable ties. Fix the interlock cable to the original bus bar. This is the original current sensor. This end is straight, and we need to bend it like this. Wrap some insulation tape around the service socket. Install the current sensor back to the service plug. Connect this bus bar to the current sensor. Connect this power cable to the service plug. Wrap some heat shrink tube around the connection, making sure it is fully wrapped. Remember to plug in the plug before installing the service plug. Connect all the cables according to the wiring diagram. Plug in the current sensor plug. We will provide a set of small wrench kits to tighten screws in tight spaces like here. Connect the signal holders between module J and H. Remember to put the protection cover back on. Check the voltage. Check the insulation value. install the BMS bracket. Please remember, the signal holders of the modules should be connected to the bottom of the BMS. Install the BMS. This is the temperature sensor, should be connected to here. This is the original signal holders, connected here. Fix the cables with cable ties. Fix this power cable to the service plug. Use OBD2 cable to check the battery. This cable allows us to check the battery when it's outside the car. We recommend all Leaf owners who purchase battery modules also get such cable to avoid repeatedly installing and removing the battery from the car. Okay, the battery looks good.